Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Questionnaire Tool in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Questionnaire Tool allows you to conduct surveys and quizzes with real-time feedback on results. Let me show how. Before creating the questionnaire, let's first design the flow our users will get after the questionnaire is completed. Now let's head to the Tools section to create our questionnaire. Select the flow to be triggered once the questionnaire is completed. Input your questions and select the appropriate response type. Let's save our questionnaire and navigate to the Flow section to create our questionnaire flow. Go to Action and select Questionnaire and select the questionnaire we created. Now, let's go back to the Tools section to check the information of the questionnaire applicants. There you have it. You just learned how to use the Questionnaire Tool in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.